Very good morning, students. In the last class, we were discussing about electric field due to continuous charge distribution. In that, linear charge distribution, surface charge distribution, volume charge distribution we were discussed, and then electric field lines and their properties we have discussed. In today's class, we are going to discuss about electric dipole. Electric dipole is nothing but that such a molecules called as CO, ammonia, water, HCl. So these are all molecules are made of charges. In that carbon monoxide, carbon consisting of one charge and oxygen consisting of one charge. Both also separated by a very small distance there. And if you consider for hydrogen, water molecule, there are two hydrogen atoms and then one oxygen atoms. Both also separated by very small distance. Look at here, this hydrogen and oxygen both also separated very small distance. And these also like that for ammonia also NH3. So these three atoms, hydrogen atoms are separated from a nitrogen with a very small distance. Like that for HCl also, hydrogen is separated from the chlorine atom. So in this all molecules, each and every charges are separated by a very small distance. So these are all example for electric dipole. So these all molecules behave like an electric dipole. Now we'll see that exact meaning for that. Two equal and opposite charges. Two equal and opposite charges mean in this carbon monoxide that carbon is made up on a positive charge and oxygen is negative charge, means two equal and opposite charges having same magnitude but opposite charges. One is positive, other one is negative. Both also separated by a very small distance. It constitute an electric dipole. So this is called electric dipole. In many molecules, the center of positive charges and negative charges will never coincide. So such a molecules behave like as a permanent dipoles. So this type of all molecules behave like a permanent dipole. What is the meaning of di? Di means two. Yes, electric dipole. Two charges are separated by a very small distance constitute an electric dipole. And examples are already we have seen. And in these all molecules, carbon monoxide, ammonia, water, HCl, these are all the molecules are having the different strength of electric dipole. So each and every molecule is having the different strength of electric dipole. So how to find out the strength of electric dipole now? In that they are introducing the concept called electric dipole moment. So strength of electric dipole can be calculated by using the electric dipole moment. Look at here, minus q charge and then plus q charge. Both also separated by a 2a distance. This is center point. Center point from this point to this charge is a distance. This to this one is a distance. So total distance is 2a. Both two equal in magnitude, minus q and plus q equal in magnitude and separated by a 2a distance. It is behave like an electric dipole. Its magnitude can be calculated. Let us imagine that minus q and then plus q all both also kept in the plus x-axis here and then x-axis. What will be the value of electric dipole moment, strength of electric dipole? Now we can take this electric dipole moment P vector is equal to product of any one of the charge value and then distance between the two charges. So that is taken as a electric dipole moment. Here we have considered the direction. So direction from the center point, P vector is electric dipole moment, Q magnitude of the charge Q and then distance is A, and I cap is unit vector acting along positive x-axis. So we are writing this one. And the next minus q a minus I cap. Minus q means here the type of charge minus q and distance from the center point is a and minus I cap is acting along minus x-axis. So by adding this all value, finally we are getting 2 times of q a I cap. So which is called electric dipole moment magnitude. Here that I cap denotes that direction of electric dipole moment which is acting always positive x-axis direction. In this diagram, it is acting from minus q charge to plus q charge. So this is example for electric dipole can produces the electric field lines. We know that electric field lines always start from positive charge and end at a negative charge. That only shown in a second diagram. So strength of electric dipole can be calculated by using the electric dipole moment. That formula is 2q a I cap. That definition, electric dipole moment is equal to the product of magnitude of one of the charges and the distance between them. That formula is p vector equal to q times of 2a with p cap. It is possible to define and calculate the electric dipole moment for a single charge, 2 positive charges, 2 negative charges, and also for more than 2 charges. And it is a vector quantity. It is always acting from the minus q charge to plus q charge, and SI unit of this electric dipole moment is coulomb into meter. Q is coulomb and A is meter. So coulomb into meter is the SI unit of electric dipole moment. This type of electric dipoles can produce the electric field at different points. So in upcoming topic we are going to discuss that how the electric dipole producing the electric field value with respect to the